Hello friends, welcome to Tablet Tutor channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide or show sheets using action filters. So action filters allows you to filter data on target sheet when you perform some action on this source sheet. Okay, to create action, you need to go to the dashboard and select actions and then click on add action. So these are the types of actions that you can perform in Tableau desktop. So for now I'm going to select filter. So here you can give the action name. So I'm going to create action now to filter on segment sales and subcategory sales. When user clicks on segment sales, it should filter on subcategory. I'm going to name the filter as segment to subcategory. Okay. And here you need to select the source sheet. Here source sheet is segment sales. Okay. And the target sheet is subcategory. And here you have the action, run action on hover, select or menu. I'm going to select and then click OK. So now we have created one action that filters the subcategory on clicking segment sales. Click OK. So if I click on segment consumer, so the consumer filter is applied on the subcategory. If we go to the subcategory sales worksheet, you can see one action is applied on the filter shelf. Right click and show filter. Okay, so I'm going to explain how to hide sheet by changing the action type. So let me go back to the dashboard. So if you unclear this one, if you clear the action, you can see the subcategory sales is showing overall sales. So if we go back to the subcategory sales, you can see that all three segment items are selected when you clear the action. Let me go back to the dashboard one and apply the action again. If I click on the home office, you can see that data is filtered out on home office. To check, go back to the sheet and see that only home office is selected. If you unclear the action, if you clear the selection and go back to the target sheet, all the items are selected. Okay, so this is one type of action that we have created. To hide this sheet, when you clear the action, you need to edit the action. Go back to the action, select the action and edit. Okay, now here we have three options. Clearing the selection, you can choose leave the filter, show all values or exclude all values. Let me select leave the filter and explain to you how the filter is applied when you select leave the filter. Click OK, click OK. Now if you select corporate, okay, now if you apply corporate, if you select corporate, the filter is applied on the subcategory sales. Go back to the sheet and see corporate is selected. Go back to the dashboard and then clear the selection. If you clear the selection, the values remains same. To check, go back to the sheet. See, still the corporate is selected because on the action type, on clearing the action, we have selected to leave the filter as it is. So the previous filter will remain as it is even though you have cleared the selection. For example, if I select home office and then go back to the sheet, now home office selected. Go to the dashboard and clear the selection. Even though you have cleared the selection, the filter is still applied. So this type of this filter is called so since we have selected leave the filter as it is on clearing, so the filter is remains same in the subcategory sales. Likewise, we have another option to clear the selection, that is exclude all values. So if you select exclude all values and then click OK, click OK. Now let me select any segment sales here. Let me select corporate. Okay, now we have corporate applied corporate filter on subcategory sales. You can test it by going to the sheet. So corporate is selected. Let me go back to the sheet dashboard and then unclear the selection. So to unclear, just click on the selected item. So now the action is cleared and the sheet is hidden. So here sheet is not hidden, actually we have filter is still there, but the values are not selected. If you see here, none of the value from the segment is selected, so that's why this chart is empty, so it went blank. I hope you are now clear how different ways you can clear the action filters. Okay, let me implement one requirement. So in this dashboard we have 3 charts: segment sales, subcategory sales, and one crosstab table. So the requirement is whenever user opens the dashboard, it should display only segment sales. On clicking any item on the consumer or any item on the segment sales, he should be able to see subcategory. On clicking subcategory, he should see the crosstab table. Okay, so let me go to the dashboard and then select actions. So I will remove this action. Let me create a new action filter that filters segment, subcategory, and table. Okay, here our source sheet is segment sales. I'm going to run action on select. So clear the selection will exclude all values, so that sheet is hidden when user clear the action. Target sheets or export table and subcategory, and then click OK. Click OK. So let me show you the output. So here click on corporate. So the filter is applied on both sheets, subcategory and the table. If you see the segment, only corporate is displayed here. Okay, and if you unclear, the sheet is hidden. But our requirement is first on selecting the corporate, on selecting any item on the segment, it should display only subcategory sales but not this table. Okay, let me go to the dashboard actions and add another action, create filter action. Now we are going to add second action filter, that is when user clicks on subcategory, the filter should apply on the table. Now our source target will become secondary sales. On select, exclude all values. Target is export table. So this one will filter the data on target table on performing action on the subcategory, and then click OK. Click OK. Okay, now click any item on the segment and then click on any item on the subcategory. So if you clear the action on the subcategory, the sheet is hidden, and if you clear the action on the segment, subcategory sheet is hidden. Okay, let me perform the actions again. Click here. Now you are seeing the subcategory sales, and if you perform action on the subcategory sales, you can see the list of data present in the table. So if you clear action directly on the top level chart, that is segment sales, it should hide both sheets. Okay, let me clear the action on segment sales. So now both sheets are hidden. Let me apply the filters again, so that it will be clear to you. I'm going to apply the filter on segment sales, action on segment sales, and now we have subcategory sales displayed. If you perform any action on the subcategory sales, you are seeing the list of data in a table format. So you can directly clear the action from segment sales to hide both charts, or you can clear one by one. That's it, and I hope this video helps you understand when to use exclude all values action filter. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.